Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S20 FE with a very broken camera glass. And this is going to be a special one, so let's get to it. This is going to be a very special case of broken glass. It's not on the back cover or not on the front display, but it's on this very small but protruding piece of camera glass, and this is going to be a very tricky one. We're not going to disassemble the device, but we're going to remove this damaged glass slowly. As you can see here, David is removing some of the loose shards of glass right on top of the camera lens. So as you can see, there's three main elements on this camera system. So you have lenses, and on top of those lenses is this rectangular piece of glass, and this is not actually indestructible, so when you smash them, they're gonna be cracking, or in this case smashed. So it's going to affect the waterproofness of the device, and of course the level of clarity on the photos depending on the level of damage. This one is really pretty damaged. So we're gonna spend most of our time removing the broken glass piece by piece, because we can't just blast hot air on top of this component because the cameras are sensitive glass and we might damage the autofocus or some mechanisms underneath the camera system. So we're just gonna do it piece by piece. And since we don't have the loose shards of glass on top of the camera lens itself, we can just take our time and slowly lift up the main glass around the lens, because it's held on by very strong adhesives, which is not really a good thing when you try to fix things. So I think this is quite faster, it's quite slower compared to your regular repair jobs that we have here in the shop. We have battery replacement that takes maybe 30 minutes, and this one takes more than that amount of time. And since we can't just remove the back cover, we will just have to deal with this because this is the most efficient way. And right now we're almost done. I'm just gonna scrape off the remaining ones, and David is gonna be making sure that the camera lenses are clean. And one way to make sure is to use the camera app. As you can see, the camera systems are moving between lenses. You have the telephoto, the regular, and then the macro, the wide angle. So that's good. You just have to clean up the side. There's some glue in it. We can't just blast again. Alcohol and some liquid to agitate the dried up glue. Just gonna take it piece by piece, scrape it off, and once it's exposed, we can just reposition this brand new camera glass and the final cleaning, and then put it on top and press it in. This also has its own adhesives at the bottom, so just position it once and then push it in. That's gonna be it. So the repair proper is even quicker than the prep itself. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. If you have the same problem, contact us. If you have a question, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And David is gonna be here to fix your smartphone issues. Always choose Sydney CBD Repair Center. Always choose peace of mind. Thanks for joining, guys. Till next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.